Myself, Amit Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Technology Tamil. So, in this video, we are just continue the topic of string. So, पिछली वीडियो में आपने सिंपल कुछ स्लाइसिंग कॉन्सेप्ट देखे थे, नेगेटिव इंडेक्सिंग के थ्रू, पॉजिटिव इंडेक्सिंग के थ्रू, और अप टू एंड तक स्लाइसिंग भी देखा था, और उसके बाद पर्टिकुलर रेंज से पर्टिकुलर रेंज तक भी स्लाइसिंग किया था, और कुछ प्रोग्राम्स बनाए थे जिसमें आप चेक कर सकते हैं कि दिस पर्टिकुलर सेंटेंस और द वर्ड इज टू बी प्रेजेंट इन द सेंटेंस। सो उसके अलावा आपने आइट्रेशन भी लगाया था, पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रिंग पे लेंथ फाइंड की थी, और कुछ इनिशियलाइजिंग स्ट्रिंग के कॉन्सेप्ट देखे थे और टाइप निकाला था स्ट्रिंग का। इस वीडियो में मैं सिंपल आपको कुछ मॉडिफिकेशन बताऊंगा स्ट्रिंग के, जिसके लिए आप हेडिंग डालिए अपर। सो वी आर यूजिंग अपर स्ट्रिंग, lower to upper, upper to lower. So we are here upper. So heading this particular statement and just work on that. So we are making a string of some are to be a capital or some are to be a small characters. So we are making string. So final upper or lower. So we are naming this particular the complex name, but you can use like F upper lower. So full the name is to be full. So we are using this. So in this we are passing like starting with the capital, and in the with m is to be small and the I is to be capital, t is to be small. Okay, so this is our string. So we are we want this particular string in the full uppercase, so we are using upper. So print using full string dot upper, you get the answer is to be Amit in the uppercase. But this particular statement will not change your variable. So here we are using like we are storing upper name. So we are using this. You can change with this like according to your need. So this particular state variable is stored the upper string. So you get the answer in this particular variable with uppercase. So this is to be clear. If you want change this particular string in the lower case, so you get the output with the lower name. So you get we are using full variable. Our full variable is to be stored the particular upper lower case string. सिंपल मैं यहाँ फुल प्रिंट करूँगा तो आप देखेंगे कि फर्स्ट लेटर is to be started with the capital and in the middle we have a small, and also some are to be capital and small. So we are using lower function here. So lower, you get the answer. We are full is to be not defined. So we are executing this. So we are using fu double l. So we are change this particular variable with ful. So the typing error. So our string is to be in the lower case. You can see this is to be changed in the lower case. So this is to be clear to you. In the next, the next concept is to be that in this video replace. So we are using the replace. So our string is to be lower. We are using this particular string and change the a with s. So you are using like print a dot. So our string is to be, we are using this particular string. So we are using full dot replace, and we are passing the characters like we are passing the we are passing like if you are changing the h, sorry, a with s, so you are changing this. So we are using the wrong keyword replace. So our a is to be not changed with this. So we are clearing the concept of replace function. So I am just writing a heading is to be replaced. So mark down this particular heading. Sorry, the replace. So we are making a new particular string. So the name is to be name. Variable name is to be name. In the name we have Amit, and use this particular string. So we are printing like we are passing name variable dot replace. We are using this particular a with change with the s. So we are passing a and change with the S. So you get answer is to be SMIT. Our A is to be replaced with the uh, our A is to be replaced with the S, so you get SMIT here. If you want to change the full name, so you are passing here with S, so you get S. So you can change the multiple characters with replace with the one character, or if you want to like Amit change with the Sumit, so you get Sumit here. So this is the replace concept. If you want to know the concept of split, so we are using a new string. So our name is to be new string is to be equal to, we are passing here the name and the surname of the particular person and use the split function. So we are printing this. You can use name string, new string, and just use the concept of split. You get Amit is to be in the different and Patel is to be in the different. You can also store with the help of assigning new variable and equal operator. So with the help of that, you can uh, store this in the different variable with the splitting. So our replace upper, lower, and the uh, split function is to be clear. After this, we are concatenate two strings. So our name is particular variable is stored the name of person. So I am writing here Amit, and in the surname we are passing here Patel, and we are concatenate these strings. So with the help of like we are using full name is equal to name plus, with the help of plus operator you can concatenate these two string and print full name. You get the answer is to be Amit Patel. If you want to space with these two name and surname, so you can make a new variable s, and here you just take a space of 2 byte, two spaces. You also use this here like s plus name, so you get space here. So this is to be the concept of concatenation, maybe a two string or maybe a three string or n number of string with the help of plus operator. So this is to be clear. If you want to clear the concept of formatting, so just see this code. So we are making a variable age is to be equal to, we are passing 19. So we are using this print the age of person is, we are passing these two braces, curly braces. In this we have end, and the name is Amit. We are using here this format and passing age. So you get the age of person is to be 18. Our data is to be printed here, and again continue with this. So and the name is to be Amit. You can also concatenate with this formatting, like we are passing name here and the name is to be Amit, and we are passing here the curly braces, and name variable is to be passed here. You get the answer same. The name of person is to be 19 and the name is age of person is to be 19 and the name is Amit. So with the help of this you can format your string. So you make a program or logic with the help of this. So thank you. In the next video we will solve one problem. So problem is to be that सिंपल आपको एक यूजर से स्ट्रिंग मिलेगी जिसमें आपको कुछ स्मॉल लेटर्स होंगे, स्मॉल कैरेक्टर्स होंगे और कुछ कैपिटल्स होंगे। तो उनको आपको जो स्मॉल होंगे उनको कैपिटल करना है, और जो स्मॉल को कैपिटल करना है, जो कैपिटल होंगे उनको स्मॉल में लेटर में करना है, और एक न्यू स्ट्रिंग को जनरेट करके प्रिंट करना है। सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में मिलते हैं उसके साथ। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।